IT department supports 2,400 locations. There's about 2,000 Curves locations and just under 400 Jenny Craig locations. The previous system that we used didn't have a great visibility into everything that was open. It was basically a one-level categorization, so we had no idea what was broken in our systems.
SaaS was absolutely a requirement going into our selection process. So we put Cherwell into the fold, and very quickly we realized Cherwell was going to be a top contender.
We were very impressed with the information that you could get out of Cherwell.
We would need to be able to add users on different names and different functions without having to pick up the phone and call Cherwell every time and say, hey, I need these new licenses, or hey, I'm not using these anymore. And so that flexibility was very important, and one of the selection criteria when we picked Cherwell.
The easier we can make it on our infrastructure and our systems engineering team, the better. Cherwell was the unanimous selection by everybody in the department.
We got more functionality, a great piece of technology at lesser cost than we anticipated.
So since Cherwell's gone live, we've been able not only to track it, but to improve the time that we spend when we close a ticket.
Before Cherwell, we were getting like a 62% in terms of the service we were providing the business. We're at 96%.
Those things lead to, again, higher customer satisfaction. People stay with us longer, which ultimately means higher revenues. What we're really trying to do is give time and productivity back to our end users. I am definitively certain that the less have to call us, the more time that gives them to do their job.
We did one upgrade, completely seamless. I mean, the auto deployer automatically updated. So really, once you put it on your PCs once, you never really have to worry about it again. And you understand how to do custom queries. It's really simple, and we bang them out right and left. I mean, somebody will say, can you tell me about this? And we'll go away, and I have an administrator who within 15-20 minutes can produce a dashboard, and then we say, is this what you're looking for? The future of Cherwell is very strong in the Curves Jenny Craig world.
There are hundreds of vendors in the portfolio that IT and my team support today, but there's only a select few, probably half a dozen, that I would truly consider a partner. And Cherwell certainly was willing to really deliver on that promise of being a partner.
You've got an amazing team of customer-focused people, and that makes all the difference. It's still a company that's focused on the customer.